Okay. Angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair. I'm going to make a sketch, but you don't actually need to see the sketch to be able to do this. Okay? They're a linear pair, meaning the sum of them is 180. Let's say this was angle 1 and this was angle 2. Okay? And angle 1 measures x minus 15, and angle 2 measures x plus 77. That's what they are in algebraic terms. And we can see that they're a linear pair. They have 180 degrees of rotation around that vertex point, and they should sum to 180. Yep, that's what it would look like if you sketched it. But we don't need the sketch. I'm going to get rid of the sketch, because really what we need to just do is say, well, they're a linear pair, and therefore their measures sum to 180. So we can say x minus 15 plus x plus 77 equals the whole thing 180. Then we'll just solve it out. Okay, combining like terms, we get 2x. I don't know why it's doing that. It's weird. Why is it doing that? Hold on a second. Sorry about that. I don't know what was going on there. 2x, and what is 77 minus 15? I'm just going to do it down here. Get rid of it. 77 minus 15 is 2, 62. Plus 62 equals 180 minus 62 from both sides. Subtraction property of equality, we call that. And we get 2x equals 118, and we divide both sides by 2. To give us x equals 59. Okay, now they wanted the measure of each angle, so I'm actually not going to box that. Let's not do that, because they want the measure of each angle. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to take x minus 15, and we're going to just sub in what x is. 59 minus 15. 59 minus 15 is 44. And take the other one, x plus 77, and sub in what x is, 59 plus 77. And I'm going to do this over here because it's not, I'll make a mistake if I do it in my head. And I'm smart enough to know that if I'm going to make a mistake, if I think I might make a mistake, I am not going to risk it, and I'm going to do the math on paper. 136. So we've got measure of angle 1, 44. Measure of angle 2, 136. And look at that, what do you know? Choice B. Okay, we're done.